Ladies and gentlemen, here at the Fiji Islands, we greet you with Nisam Bulavinaka and welcome to our home. The local time here is coming up to 25 minutes to 5 o'clock. Fiji being 2 hours ahead of Brisbane time. We are now approaching the terminal, and for your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the signal sign above you has been switched off. Please check your seat pockets and overhead lockers for personal belongings, and do take extra care when opening them, as items may have moved during the flight. For further travel arrangements, Fiji Airways invites you to visit our website at avgeeks.com for sale prices. On arrival, our ground handling staff will be at the door area as well as in the arrival hall to assist you. Do not hesitate to contact them for any assistance you may require. And may I remind you that smoking is not permitted in the terminal building. If you are transferring to a domestic flight, you will still be required to clear immigration and customs formalities before proceeding to the domestic check-in counter.